How to delete all posts on Facebook. In this video, I will guide you step by step to clear your Facebook timeline, so make sure to like and subscribe. Step 1. Open your Facebook app or go to facebook.com on a browser and log into your account. Step 2. Tap your profile picture and go to your timeline. Step 3. Look for the Manage Posts button below your profile photo. On mobile, this may appear as the three dots next to the Edit Profile. Step 4. Tap Manage Posts, and here you will see all your previous posts laid out by date. Step 5. Tap Filters at the top to narrow down the post by year or visibility, or you can skip it if you want to select all. Step 6. Tap each post that you want to delete or tap Select All if available. You can delete up to 50 posts at once. Step 7. After selecting the Tap Trash or the delete icon, then confirm by tapping Move to Trash. And those posts will stay in your trash for 30 days before permanent deletion. Step 8. To instantly remove them forever, you can go to your activity log and then trash and then tap delete all. And that's it. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.